Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has seen a huge dump in the cryptocurrency market. Crazy dumps in the altcoin market, with altcoins having double-digit loss across the board. Zcash even had a 50% decline in 24 hours. But right now, some of those altcoins are bouncing right back. It's still extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin trades around $60,000. Ethereum fell below the $2,000 level, getting to as low as $1,500. We take a look at the general cryptocurrency market cap, Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin. Where is the general cryptocurrency market heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Liquidations in the market has been increasing. While those liquidations increasing, we also look at news stories going around the market. Don't forget alt season. Talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Let's start with liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has seen big liquidations in the market, and we had like 5 consecutive days of almost $1 billion worth of liquidation. From the 1st of June, we saw great liquidations in the market. We had $1.5 billion day, we had $1 billion day, we had a $1.2 billion day, and we had $1.4 billion day. Cumulative, more than $5 billion was liquidated from the cryptocurrency market over the last 7 days. A lot of the bulls got liquidated, even though some bears got liquidated, but mostly the bulls got wiped out. And according to CoinGlass data, in the last 24 hours, more than 105,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $663 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on OKX. One trader was liquidated for $12.27 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money. Be careful out there, guys, because right now the bears are betting on lower prices too, and the only way the bears will lose money is if we see them getting liquidated as we pump to higher prices. But for now, Bitcoin is down 7.52% in Q2 of 2026. Ethereum is down 20.89% in Q2 of 2026. For Q1, Bitcoin was only down 22%. For Q1, Ethereum was down 29%. For the monthly time frame, Bitcoin has gone down 14% in the month of June. We saw Bitcoin losing 3% of its value in the month of May. Ethereum, on the other hand, has lost 11% in the month of May and is down 17% in the month of June, which has led the cryptocurrency market participants to be very scared right now. There's extreme fear gripping the whole cryptocurrency market. There was fear, extreme fear right now, extreme fear yesterday. Last week there was fear, last month there was fear. But guys, let's not forget the overarching mantra, which is to buy when there's extreme fear and sell when there's extreme greed. We saw some few levels of improved sentiment in the month of May. We saw the fear and greed index get to a point of neutral sentiment. But right now, we're back to extreme fear, and right now, market participants are expecting lower prices because that's what the average investors do. They buy when there's greed in the market, they sell when there's fear in the market. But if you want to win this game long term, guys, you have to do the opposite of that. You have to buy when you see extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and you have to sell when extreme greed returns back to the market. If you look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, been dumping since August of 2025. Ethereum has gone from as high as $4,900 to as low as $1,500, even breaking below the February lows, which has gotten a lot of market participants to be feeling bearish. But if you look at Ethereum's RSI, there's a bullish divergence there. I won't be shocked if in the next few weeks the market wrong foots a lot of market participants as we see pump to higher prices, while the average market participant is shutting the market down to goblin town. But not just Ethereum, guys, all coins, Bitcoin, because if you look at Bitcoin's valuation against the US dollar, Bitcoin currently sits around its 200-week moving average. And historically, it has always been a good time to buy Bitcoin then. If you look at Bitcoin's RSI, there's a huge bullish divergence then. Bitcoin dropping to new lows, the RSI not dropping to new lows, Bitcoin coming to its 200-week moving average, and also Bitcoin staying in its band of in cost of production band. Which is very important. Historically, Bitcoin getting to this cost of production band has been a good time to buy. It means miners have less incentives to sell their Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's price is basically near the price they are producing those Bitcoins, and historically there has been when whales have accumulated a lot. So I'll not be shocked in the next few weeks we see a huge bounce after the market. Pay attention to Bitcoin dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance showing us the early signs of what's going to happen to the market. We expect Bitcoin dominance to dump as all coins start pumping to higher values. I believe the next few months are going to be crazy in the altcoin market. We're going to see altcoins pumping front, left, and center. We're going to see a lot of these altcoins have a retracement rally, which will suck a lot of market participants back in, because over the last 1 week, all those market participants that panicked out of the market, guys, guess what? They panicked back into the US dollar. They panicked back into cash. Now, the only way they can get back into the market is by the market pumping to higher prices and then feeling that FOMO and then running back into the market thinking, no, why did I sell the bottom? Am I going to miss the rally of all time? And that's when they get trapped. You don't want to get trapped, guys. You want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy when there's fear in the market. Better even buy when there's extreme fear in the market and sell when greed returns back to the market. If you look at total cryptocurrency market cap, it sits around $2.13 trillion. We're still seeing some huge bullish divergence then, the total cryptocurrency market cap briefly setting a new low without the RSI setting a new low. Don't be shocked, guys. If you see total cryptocurrency market cap hit that $3 trillion level at some point in time, 2026, I believe we still have one more rally in the books. I don't think we're going to go out limp. I believe we're going to see the cryptocurrency market has its own time in the sun. We've seen stock market have their own time in the sun. We've seen oil have its own time in the sun. We've seen precious metals have their own time in the sun. I believe crypto is going to have its own time in the sun. Look at other altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, crazy dumps for Zcash. We saw Zcash going from $694 down to as low as $252. But right now, I've gotten a big bounce towards $425. XRP also got towards $1.1. And Solana got to as low as $65. Crazy. What happened over the last few days in the cryptocurrency market? If you look at the altcoin season index right now, we're not in an altcoin season, but hopefully we'll get there very soon. And we're previously in an altcoin month. Right now, we're out of that altcoin month. We're facing reality, and that altcoin month was very short-lived. Even though we didn't see plenty of altcoins pumping, hopefully we can head back to the altcoin month and see altcoins having a great time. If you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin most oversold since 2020 crash. Can BTC rebound back to $70,000? And Bitcoin RSI has hit the most oversold since the 2020 crash, which was a good time to buy. Anytime you see RSI going that low, anytime you see market participants getting that scared, feels like everything is going to zero. Historically, has been a good time to buy. I don't think this time is different. They say history doesn't repeat itself exactly, guys, but it sure always does rhyme. And right now, market participants are the opposite of euphoric. They are very fearful, and fear is a very good environment to buy in. Bitcoin BS faced $2.6 billion trap as BTC funding rates drop. Is a short squeeze brewing. That might be what would send us to higher prices. A lot of market participants right now have given up on the chance and the possibility of Bitcoin pumping to higher values in 2026. So they might put all their efforts in shorting Bitcoin down to lower values, expecting it to go down to $50,000, $40,000, maybe even lower than that. And in a situation where we see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, a situation where we see Bitcoin reversing, getting to as high as $100,000, that will liquidate a lot of market participants. That will catch them off guard, and that will see them getting liquidated. You don't get liquidated, guys. You want to trust the process. You want to have a plan and play that plan to the end, because liquidations in the cryptocurrency market, they might not come in every day, but when they come in, they are very disastrous. Just like we've seen over the last 1 week, where we've seen over $5 billion worth of liquidation. Justin Sun, HTX deletes Trump's family USD1 amidst freeze fight. HTX says World Liberty froze its address and has responded by delisting and suspending the platform tokens. Ethereum falls 30-month low on Zcash blog news as BTC drops to sub 60k. Is 1.4k Ethereum next? Ethereum price crashed below $1,600 as vulnerability in Zcash emerged and Bitcoin sold off below $60,000 for the first time in months. Drop it out in the comment section, guys. How bullish are you right now in the cryptocurrency market? Do you expect the best to get liquidated? Because right now, Zcash with new shielded pool after counterfeit flaws. Zcash developers are weighing a new shielded pool and turn-side accounting after the Orchard bug raised supply verification questions. We're not yet in an altcoin season. Extreme fear is gripping the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are expecting lower prices, and Bitcoin trades below $60,000. This is just a recipe for us to buy some more Bitcoin, buy some more altcoins, and get ready for that big pump to the upside. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you're doing in your portfolio. Did you take this opportunity to add more as altcoins were dumping? Were you buying the dip, or were you selling, running for the hills, saying it's all over? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.